Grandpa Bear, he knows things beyond compare. Sit right down, little bear, Grandpa Bear knows the way. Little bear spilled the juice today, didn't know what the grown-ups say. Grandpa smiled, he didn't rush, he showed the way without a fuss. Grab a cloth, pat it slow, watch the mess start to go. Soft and steady, day by day, Grandpa Bear knows the way. Grandpa Bear, he knows things beyond compare. Old ways, good ways, let's all say Grandpa Bear knows the way. Clap your paws, little bear, learn something new every day. Grandpa Bear knows the way. Lost a toy underneath the stair, little bear looked everywhere. Grandpa said, think it through, where did you last have it? You, step by step, slow and smart. Use your eyes, use your heart, no need to rush, hip hooray. Grandpa Bear knows the way. Grandpa Bear, he knows things beyond compare. Old ways, good ways, let's all say Grandpa Bear knows the way. Clap your paws, little bear, learn something new every day. Grandpa Bear knows the way. Little bear couldn't sleep one night, too many worries, too many frights. Grandpa sat by the warm firelight, told a story till everything felt right. Breathe in slow, breathe out low, let the worried feelings go. Stars are watching, come what may, Grandpa Bear knows the way. Grandpa Bear, he knows things beyond compare. Old ways, good ways, let's all say Grandpa Bear knows the way. Clap your paws, little bear, learn something new every day. Grandpa Bear knows the way. Planting seeds in the garden patch, little paws and big paws matched. Press it deep, give it room, watch it grow, watch it bloom. Water it gently, a little each day. Love and patience always pay. Nature teaches, come what may. Grandpa Bear knows the way. Grandpa Bear, he knows things beyond compare. Old ways, good ways, let's all say Grandpa Bear knows the way. Clap your paws, little bear, learn something new every day. Grandpa Bear knows the way. Who's the smartest bear around?
Grandpa Bear!
Who knows every trick in town?
Grandpa Bear!
He can fold and fix and grow.
Grandpa Bear!
He's the coolest bear we know.
Grandpa Bear!
Hooray! Who teaches us to never quit?
Grandpa Bear!
Who makes every story fit?
Grandpa Bear!
Silver hair and warm big hugs.
Grandpa Bear!
Cozy like the best of rugs.
Grandpa Bear!
Hooray! Hooray! Grandpa Bear, the wisest one with silver hair. Old ways, good ways, let's all say Grandpa Bear shows us the way. Now you go tell someone today what Grandpa Bear taught you to say. Grandpa Bear knows the way. Sit with Grandpa, little bear, listen close, he'll always care. Old and wise and full of love, Grandpa Bear's our star above. Grandpa Bear, soft and warm like summer air. Close your eyes, little bear, Grandpa Bear is always there.